The lights may be back on for most Southwest Missouri residents, but doctors say the health risks from days without power don't disappear when the electricity does. KOAM's Kenny Foreman spoke with medical experts about what to watch for.
38 million people are affected by food poisoning every year, and about 128,000 of those get admitted to the hospital, with 3,000 deaths associated with food poisoning. So the important thing to know about a power outage is that you got to make sure that you're not eating any contaminated food.
If in doubt, throw it out. Even if you don't have a working refrigerator, that's what KCU Joplin Associate Professor of Medicine Kenneth Stewart strongly advises.
It's not worth getting sick, getting food poisoning, and then having to deal with that on top of having a power outage, or losing all that food out of your refrigerator and your freezer.
Not having power can lead to more heat exposure, which Freeman ER attending physician Chad Boldware says can be problematic for elderly individuals and those with pre-existing conditions if not properly hydrated.
You're checking hydration levels. Typically, your urine's a good indicator, and the darker the urine, the worse your hydration is.
Even though storing food can be a challenge, Boldware says maintaining a proper diet is still possible.
Low salt foods and low sugar foods. You still want to try to eat whole foods and not rely so much on processed foods. Typically, your fruits and vegetables will go longer versus your meats and dairy.
While those grocery bills may be high, the medical experts say that taking chances with food can lead to even higher hospital bills. Reporting in Joplin, Kenny Foreman, KOAM News.
Stewart also stresses the importance of making sure your pets remain hydrated as well. That's a look at some of today's top health stories. We'll be right back.